Hello, dear children. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are happy, healthy, and excited for our today's story. Our today's story is again based on one very inspiring personality, Sindhu Tai. So, without delay, let's begin. Some heroes do not fight wars, wear a uniform, or hold great power, but some heroes fight hunger, injustice, and loneliness with nothing but courage and compassion. Sidhu Tai Sapkal, loving known as Mai, that is mother, was once such real life hero. Her life was filled with pain, struggle, and rejection, yet she transformed her sufferings into love and thousands of orphan children. This is the inspiring story of Sindhu Tai Sapkal, a true hero of life. Sindhu Tai Sapkal was born on 14th November 1948 in a small village called Pimpri in Maharashtra, India. She was born into a very poor family. Poverty was her first teacher. There was often no proper food, clothes, or comfort in her home. Education for girls was not valued at that time. Sindhutai's parents believed that a girl only needed to manage a household. Still, Sindhutai had a deep desire to learn. She secretly attended school, walking long distances, hiding her notebooks so her parents would not stop her. Despite all odds, she managed to study up to the fourth standard, which itself was a big achievement for a woman girl in those days. But life had harsher lessons waiting for her. Sindhutai was married off at the age of just 12 to a man much older than her. Marriage, instead of bringing security, brought sufferings. She was constantly insulted and beaten. Her husband doubted her character and treated her cruelly. When Sindhutai became pregnant, instead of caring for her, her husband abandoned her, accusing her falsely. She was thrown out of house, homeless, helpless, and alone at a time when she needed support the most. Society closed its door on her. A pregnant woman without a husband was judged, not helped. With nowhere to go, Sindhutai wandered from place to place. One night, she took shelter in a cowshed where she gave birth to a baby girl. There were no doctors, no medicines, no family, only pain, fear, and courage. That night changed her forever. Holding her newborn child, Sindhutai realized that if she could survive this pain, she could survive anything. But she also knew that she could not care for the child while struggling for food herself. With a heavy heart, she gave her daughter to a trusted family so the child could have a better life. This sacrifice broke her heart, but it also awakened her purpose. Sindhutai had no home, no money. To survive, she began begging at temples, railway stations, and streets. But even while begging, she noticed something that disturbed her deeply. Orphaned and abandoned children, hungry, sick, and ignored by society. She saw her own pain reflected in their eyes. Instead of thinking, I have nothing, she thought, they have even less. She began sharing whatever little food she received with these children. Slowly, children started gathering around her, calling her Mai, that is, mother. She turned railway platforms, temples, and broken shelter into homes filled with love. Sindhutai dedicated her entire life to orphaned, abandoned, and unwanted children. With no formal support at first, she worked tirelessly to provide them food, shelter, and education. Over time, kind hearted people noticed her work. Donations started coming in, not because she asked, but because her sincerity touched hearts. She went on to establish many orphanages across Maharashtra. She raised more than 1,000 children, helping them become doctors, engineers, teachers, and responsible citizens. Despite fame and recognition, Sidhutai lived a simple life, wearing plain clothes and owning very little. She believed money was meant for children, not for herself. The world finally recognized her greatness. Sidhutai received over 700 awards, including Padma Shri in 2021, Ahilyabai Holkar Award, Savitribai Phule Award, Mother Teresa Award for Society Justice. Yet the title she loved the most was not given by government. It was given by children. That is Mai. It means mother. Sidhutai Sapkal passed away on 4th January 2022, but her legacy lived on through the countless lives she touched. Her life teaches us that you don't need wealth to be generous. You don't need power to create change. Pain can be turned into purpose. She proved that true motherhood is not about giving birth, but about giving life. And this story which we hear today is a true story and giving us so many lessons. The very first lesson we learn through this story is compassion is the greatest strength. Even when life is cruel, kindness, and even the life is cruel, kindness can heal not only others but also ourselves. Second lesson which we learn is suffering can become purpose. And we should never get defeated with sufferings. Rather, make it a purpose. Hardship do not define us. How we rise above them does. True wealth lies in services. A meaningful life is measured not by what we collected, but by what we give. These are the lessons we learn from today's story. Sindhutai Sapkal was not born a hero. She became one through courage, sacrifice, and love. From a rejected woman to the mother of thousands, her journey is a reminder that real heroes live among us, changing the world quietly, one life at a time. She had nothing, yet she gave everything. This is truly inspiring story, and this kind of inspiring personalities around us make us understand that what should be the pattern of our life. Hopefully, you all must have enjoyed today's story. Please do share the story with your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins, school friends, and do subscribe to our channel. We will meet tomorrow with a new story. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Lots of blessings.